Hello everyone, welcome to Coding with Harshil. This is Harshil Chudasma, and today in this video we will see the two properties of the CSS, which is the width and height. Okay, so let's get started. Here we can see the title is given, style tag is there, and in the body part we have given the div tag and we have given the class name to this div tag, which is the box. And if I refresh here, then you can see nothing changes is there. I want to say that nothing is there. Okay, so now I will select this class one. So for that I will write the dot box, and now we will apply the width and height for this div class box. Okay, so for width we have to write like width like this one, and now we have to specify the width of this box. Okay, so here we are creating a box. Okay, in the last video of the HTML tutorial we have seen that the div class and the span tag. Okay, I want to say that div tag and span tag. So in that video we have seen that the width and height attribute are very useful and we can create some objects. Okay, so that we will create in this video. So for that I will giving the width, let's say 100 pixels, and then height also same way 100 pixels. Save it and refresh. Okay, so the width and height is given, but the main thing is that the background color is not given. Okay, so if there is a background color, then we can easily see the our box. Okay, so for that I will write the background color property we have already seen. Okay, so hashtag fd55c1. Okay, save this and refresh, then you can see we got the box like this one with this color. So this is the 100 pixel, and I hope you have clear idea. So if I increase the size, let's say 500 pixels, save it and refresh, then you can see 500 pixels will be looking like this one. So this is the square we can create like this one. So let I'm increasing the width, let's say 800 pixels, save it and refresh, then it will be looking like this one. Decrease the height. Okay, so you can see shapes many more you can create using this. And we have seen the border property. Okay, so we can also give the border to this one, like border style, let's say it is dotted. Okay, and border width I am giving here, let's say 5 pixels, and I am giving the border color, let's say I'm giving the built-in color dark blue. Okay, save it and refresh, then you can see we got the dark blue color border here, which is the dotted. And if I do the solid here, then it will be looking like this one. Okay, you can see solid border is there. Okay, now if I increase the border width, then it will be looking like this one. Okay, so this is how we can create an objects, and this is all about width and height attribute. It is not like that we can apply to this div class only to create the objects. We can also apply it to the our h1 tag, h2 tag. Okay, so if I write here h1 tag with the coding with Harshil, save it and refresh first. So we got like this one. Now I will style it. So let's say h1, I am setting first the background color so that you can see it properly. I am setting here, let's say light green. Save it, refresh. So we got the light green color. Okay, now I will set the width. We can also give the width in the percentage. Okay, so let's say I'm giving the width in the 50%. Save it. Okay, and if I refresh it, then you can see width is 50%. And if I do the 100%, okay, you can see I have not refreshed, it is a 50%. Now if I refresh, then you can see it is 100%. Okay, so this is how we can change the width and height. And now if I do the 10%, let's see, you can see 10% width is there. So according to that, the coding with Herschel text is looking like this one. Okay, so this is the how we can change the width of any of the our text. You can see we have changed the width for this h1 tag, so you can change for the p tag, span tag. Okay, anything for you, you can change it. And one thing main, that if you are selecting any image, then it will be very useful. Okay, in the HTML tutorial we have seen that img tag, and in that we have specifying the width and height. Okay, so it will be too easy here. So if I write here like img src equals to img.jpg, and I'm giving the class that image. Okay, save it and refresh. So you can see we got the our width here. And now if I select it like dot image, and if I give the width to this image, let's say I'm giving here 100 pixels. Okay, let's say 200 pixels. Save it and refresh. Okay, so you can see the 200 pixel width is there. And if I give the 500 width, okay, save it and refresh, then you can see the width is 500, it is increased. And if I give the 800 pixels, okay, then you can say it is more increasing. Okay, and the one thing is that according to the width, the height is also increasing. Okay, so either you are giving the width or height, okay, for this image only, not for this box. Okay, if I am removing this height, let I comment it, then you can see only width will be there. Okay, no height will be there. Means whenever you are taking the width and height for the image, either you take width or height. Okay, generally width is preferred, so according to width the height will be there. Okay, so that is the all about width and height attribute. I hope you have clear idea about all these things. But still guys, if you have any query, any doubt in this video, then you can ask me in the comment. And guys, do subscribe my channel if you have doesn't. And if you like this video, then give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. So guys, thank you for watching, and see you in the next time.